Sorry if it takes so long. We have some personal issues I deal with. So I'm sure how to get that thing started now. I think I about 3 steps. I think I 3 things enough to do. So this video now I just show how to complete the first step, right? So may I send you one link. You're supposed to receive I'm supposed to receive one link at a time. So the first link when I send you now, supposed to take you to this page. Suppose I take you to this website. This is going to be the forex broker. This is what we're gonna use. This is a them I go have your money, right? I won't have access to it. So we're not gonna know when I click on the link and come to this page now, select this client login. Then you click on this, open a real account. And fill out the necessary information. Jamaica, let me see. For example statement, I try for it, because I think some things in it need to show now. Keep in mind that these things are fake. Well, except the email, but yeah. Not even that number real. Click on individual. When they tell us say choose account type, it's supposed to be individual, right? Enter on your date of birth. Date of birth, address. Keep in mind the address owner put in, it must be the same address owner go use. Well, it must be the same address owner use for no either on a driver's license or on a utility bill like light bill or water bill or internet bill, because after you create your account, you need to verify your account. And when you go verify it, you have to submit a proof of address and proof of identity. And you can't use the same document for the two of them. So I would recommend either passport or driver's license with a proof of identity and a utility bill with an address showing as a proof of address, right? So let me get this out of the way. Bear in mind, when they say state or province, they mean the parish where you live, right? State or province. Yes, postal or zip code now, it's supposed to be 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros, right? Click on this. I was referred by an introducing broker. What they mean by introducing broker, they mean me. But I think it's going to automatically select. Once you click on the link, it's supposed to automatically select, and the ID code will already be inputted. So I don't think you have to worry about that. But anyways, in case it is not, put in 4. In case it is not already input, put 43665. That's my referral ID. Please don't skip that out, yo. You have to put that. Anyways, all right. Let's continue now. select MT4. You have CTrader, MetaTrader 5, and MetaTrader 4. You want to select this, MetaTrader 4, right? Then choose account type, raw spreads. Base currency, USD. If you don't want make euro or pound, then go ahead. But would I recommend people to use USD. Alright? And that's basically it. Alright, press next. Now the declaration part, choose beginner. And then them are gonna ask you some security questions to protect your account. So in case you forget your password, they will ask you this question in order to receive it. Something similar to like what Google or Yahoo do. Yeah, security question. So you select what you want and then you put your answer. And then click accept declaration and submit. And that's it. Your account basically would create and then you just submit your document, the proof of identity and the proof of address. And just wait until them verify. Them usually take like a day, less than 2 days. They're gonna verify you in less than 2 days, not including the weekends. So it won't take long. And then you can just deposit the money when you're ready. But anyways, I'll create the next video for step 2 now. So that's the end of step 1. Simple, simple.